Hey, Karen, how you doing? You doing well? I can open the trunk without the key. Yeah. Karen, thanks for pissing me off. This was actually a lot of fun. Is she being serious? This lady with the Cavalier is literally messaging me again. Right now? Yeah. She's literally gonna get me to a point where I'm gonna destroy this thing. Yeah, like, it's not my fault you had to sell the car. Like, please don't destroy it. Blah, blah, blah. You really think I just gotta destroy it? I tell you what, I'm gonna get on Marketplace and we're gonna teach this lady a lesson. Boom, $2,500 or best offer, 116,000 miles, AC just inspected, 4-door Cavalier. I'll be back, David. Well, here she is. This is going to teach Karen to leave me the heck alone in this Cavalier. One way and for all. All right, well, I ended up purchasing this here Cavalier for $2,400. Was it worth it? Probably not. Is this video going to make me the money back? Probably not, but I went ahead and found this on Marketplace. Super clean car. Zero issues. Obviously I have the back windows down because I was kind of relaxing. Brand new tires on it. Everything works on it. Went ahead and did the title work and everything so I could drive it down the road. And I've actually been driving this for a couple days now. But 116,000 miles, ice cold AC. This thing is seriously a nice car. But because we obviously have our little bit of a Karen situation going on, if you guys didn't remember, I went ahead and purchased this Cavalier over here probably about 2 months ago now. And my intentions were to make this thing nice. If Karen keeps her stuff up, we're not going to make it nice, and we're going to absolutely do what we do to this Cavalier. But as you can tell here, I bought wheels for it. I bought an engine for it. The engine is actually sitting over on the other side of the shop. This is actually the next thing to go on the lift and get an engine. But if Karen keeps pissing me off, but if Karen keeps pissing me off here and messaging me saying don't release my YouTube handle or my Instagram handle or my name or anything like that, I will completely destroy this car. Because at this point, I'm a little frustrated with it and a little bit annoyed that she can even say anything, because number one, I own your car now, and number two, she did not produce a title. So at the end of the day, what am I going to do with the car but have fun with it? So Karen, this is for you. This is going to be your car if you don't leave me alone. Let's let the fun begin. Oh, right out of the rip, we are here and we mean business. I can't see a damn thing out here, but I just want you guys to know this thing does run and drive absolutely perfect. Was zero issues with this thing when we began our destruction. So I'm gonna go out here, we're gonna absolutely enjoy this thing. We're doing like 40 miles an hour in a field, and you know what, it's time to have a little fun, Karen. Oh. Oh man. All right, let's go over here. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to breathe for a week because of all the pollen we're taking in. Did we just launch it off this? Oh God! E-brake me. Oh, you got me in neutral.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, this is actually fun. I should buy more like this. Cameron's calling. That can't climb that hill. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a little bit too much fun with this. Go ahead and get you a little whack or two. Feels great. It's a lot of stress relief. Oh. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, this was actually a little bit more fun than I anticipated, and I'm gonna keep having fun. Hey Karen, how you doing? You doing well? I can open the trunk without the key. Close. You know what I just realized? I didn't take any pictures of this before I started destroying it. And I'm really winded. Really winded, actually. Where do we go from here? The pond. It's going in. Roll the footage. All right, so provided I can get over these rocks here, we should be fine. It's only like 4 feet deep. I told you, as long as we can get around them rocks, we're good.
Okay. No reverse? Oh. He's slinging me with mud. Hey, you got a little bump right here. You're gonna need to get up over that. Then you got a rock right here to your left. Full send it. Oh shit, I'm about to get hit with water. All right. Yep, that felt good. Didn't get me that bad, but that. Back up and try to hit it straight.
Suck in some water.
No! Karen, you did this to me!
You dirty bastard.
Whole fucking leg's gonna go down through.
Oh, for sure. Habitat for Humanity is gonna come here and be like, we seen you destroy a car in your own pond. And look at the frog going. You see? Look at the little frog. He's still got a tail.
He just came out of that tadpole.
Yeah. We better put him back. Lukey. All right, let's get a truck to get me out of here.
Look, right.
I don't even know where to begin, but that literally went straight through.
I ended it right after you started laughing.
Yeah. Straight give her hell. Oh, it's going. Back up one more, she should come out. Back up more. All right. Thanks to Yank Strap for sending the Yank Strap here. Go, 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 go. Alrighty, guys and girls. Well, that is going to be the outro for today. Huge shout out to everybody that was involved in making this video. Again, Karen, if you do not leave me and the Cavalier alone, I promise you yours will be next. And I won't be as easy on yours, I promise you that. So comment, like, subscribe, guys. I hope you enjoy the content, and I will see you in an upcoming video. Oh, 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 oh. Well, yeah. Karen, thanks for pissing me off. This was actually a lot of fun. A lot of fun I had today making this video, and it was 100% at your expense. Yeah, enjoy. Alrighty, boys and girls. Well, as you can tell, we got it back here, and it is back alive. There might be a little damage to it, but I need to see if you guys want me to just be done with it. Was it just one and done fun video, or do we keep going?
It's all cosmetic stuff. You know?
All cosmetic. It'll all buff out.
You know, there's about 100-foot wheel or clip around that. You know that, right?
We do have a clip. Will we send it off the clip? Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Later, Karen.